Holy cow. Can you try again? That looks really fun. Can you do it again? Try again. Try again. You have to go really fast. Go really fast. Ready? Start going really fast. There you go. You just have to go really fast. Are you going to just dive? Go really fast. Go really fast. Whoa! You're going really fast. Yay! Say ta-da! Do it again. I'm hoping this tires are out. Done? Or are you going to do it one more time? One more time. Go really fast, okay? Ready? Oh my gosh. Go really fast. Just make the aim. Say ta-da!